Hi, this is... What's your name?
Amelie Rose.
Yeah, and I'm your mummy. And we're using Jane Bishop's Quick Children's Speech Therapy at home. And today we're going to have our little soundboard here, Amelie. Look, there's our sounds. And we're going to be looking at the sound...
There.
Exactly. And what Jane Bishop says is you have to see it and feel it. So we've got a mirror here and we've got to make our mouth go with the bottom lip under the top teeth. Brilliant. Okay, now close your eyes and do it. Yeah, so we're feeling it and we're seeing it. Okay, and now we're going to put our F letter with 5 words. And we start with just putting it at the beginning of the word, and then later you can put it in the middle of the word or at the end, and keep it just a 10-minute 5-word session each time. Okay, what's this?
Foot. Foot.
Very good. Foot. And when we get them right, we can put them up here on our wall. Okay, so first we say foot. Foot.
Foot.
Now let's close our eyes. Foot.
Foot.
Wonderful. Okay. And what's our next one?
Fifth.
Yeah, so we go
Fish.
Mm-hmm.
Fifth.
Very good. Close your eyes and do it.
Fifth.
Good. Okay. And what's the next one that we have?
4.
Mm-hmm. So we're going to say to the mirror, 4.
4.
Yeah. And then we're going to close our eyes and do it. You do it.
4.
Good. Okay, what's our next one?
Frog.
We got a frog. Okay, let's close our... no, look in the mirror first. I'm getting confused. No, we don't close our eyes yet. We have to look in the mirror and see it, feel it. Frog.
Frog.
Yeah.
Frog.
Okay. And the last one?
Fire.
Yeah. Fire.
Fire.
Okay, and close your eyes and say it.
Fire.
Wow. Okay, we're going to do it one more time and then we're going to stop. Okay, so we'll do this one again.
Foot.
Very good. And this one?
4.
Mm-hmm.
4.
Yeah. Okay, and this one?
Fire.
Very good. And I think this is the last one. Oh no, we've got 2 more and then we'll stick them up because you've done so well and you've said them all well. What's this?
Frog.
Frog. Frog. Close our eyes.
Frog.
Okay. And this one?
Fifth.
Mm-hmm.
Fifth.
Fish.
Fifth.
Fish.
Fifth.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, because you've done it so well, we're going to stick these all up behind us with the sound F, and we'll come back and we'll do another session with another sound. But that's enough for today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Should we say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Bye.